before and after pictures and videos. So I've got my garage here. It's a detached garage. Working on getting the insulation up. So this is what I've been doing. I'm gonna do this, the ceiling and the walls in OSB board. I was told to do it in 7/16, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Gonna take these wood mounts down, put some of those aluminum ones, whatever they're made out of. Got R38 insulation with these cheap rafter vents. So hopefully that'll keep the airflow good in here. And I'm gonna put some sort of ridge vent up there because there's not one. There's not anywhere for the air to go once it gets in. So I'm gonna cut these windows out. So yeah, I'll make a new video for that update. I put these new garage door mounts on. This is what was holding them up before. Some ghetto rig stuff. So I don't know a whole lot about doing stuff like this, but one thing where I messed up on is I did not buy these rafter vents for the airflow. And I got all the way to the half point of the garage. I had to rip all these down to re-put these up. Just with half of the back of the garage finished already. You can climb up there in a ladder and it feels like it's 100 degrees up there. It's already done a noticeable difference for temperature wise in the garage. So fast forward, ceiling's done. Got the walls almost done, a few more gaps. Next is gonna be the OSB after this. Update video, just bought the 20 sheets of OSB. So we got the ceiling hung. Gonna go around it a few times and make sure that everything's nailed in. Trim around the top. And then so it turns out the people who built this garage were absolutely stupid. And you can see up here at the top, each one of these had to be staggered because that's actually how out of square the garage was built. So there's gonna be pieces cut out up there on the top, and then we're gonna put this 1x4 to put a nice trim around the top. Got an access cut out for the attic. Windows are installed, both sides. All the OSB is up. Maybe some spots I need to double check nailed, but nice window there. Everything's cut out nice and neat. Ended up using nails instead of screws. We had drywall screws, Duraspin screws, the collated screws and the strips, but the heads kept popping off of them. So we decided to save some time and just use nails. Stuck them real good. Not really a tutorial, just a video showing what it looks like. This is the final update on the garage. Everything is finished now. I thought we were done, but my dad decided he would be generous and buy some extra trim. So we got some 1x6, ran it around the bottom. Got some of these 1x4s. Trim these windows out, put the stool. Got trim right there. Cut out the access panel. So now all I have to do is caulk these seams and then either paint, or my uncle said that basically another thing we could do is roll on drywall putty all over the walls and ceilings and make it a textured wall, and it would look clean. But I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna do here. And I will say, if I did this by myself, this would not look anywhere near this good. So I'm glad that they came along to lend their expertise. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you an idea of something you can do to your garage, because I know I spent forever trying to figure out different finishing options between OSB, plywood, drywall, paneling, corrugated metal. There's a lot of stuff, but I think this looks good. Best bang for your buck. It's a lot more structurally sound now too. It doesn't wiggle when the wind blows. So yeah, I'll be posting some more videos of different stuff I'm gonna do, like lighting, paint, and all that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.